How many of you love motivational videos? After watching those, you feel like you can move a mountain. You feel all pumped up, all energetic. Do you like those videos? I mean, do you feel energetic, pumped up, motivated, willing to take action, inspired after watching those videos? And after a day or two, you're like, all the way down back to your normal mundane state of just enough energy or just a little bit of energy, and you don't take action. Listen, motivation is crap. Motivation is pure BS. Don't ever watch a motivational video hence ahead. You don't need motivation in your life. What you need is a drive. A drive is something that comes from within, that comes from the inside. Like once you crave something, once you want something bad enough, that is what a drive is. Remember, as a child, you wanted a toy or you wanted something. How obsessed were you? How stubborn you were about getting that thing? How many times did you requested your parents, you cried, you rolled on the mall floor, you cried in the shop, you rolled on the floor, you rolled on the road, you did everything you could, everything you had to get that thing that you wanted. You had that intense inner drive. Whatever it happens, I want that. Doesn't matter how many times my mom says no, doesn't matter how many times my father says no, I want it. You had that drive coming from inside you, which made you achieve that goal. And that is what matters. It is not motivation. Motivation is pure crap. You don't need motivation in your life. You need a drive. And that drive would only come from why. Ask yourself, why do you do what you do? And why do you want to do what you want to do? Figure out what your goals are. Figure out the why behind those goals. Why would you like to go where you would like to go? I want to own a jet. I want to buy a jet, a supersonic fighter jet, which they use in the military, which can go faster than light, faster than sound. I wish they had something which moves faster than light. But yeah, I want a supersonic jet. Why? Because I want to travel fast. I hate spending time traveling. And I want to be traveling so fast, I can go faster than sound, I can move faster than sound. And that is why I want to buy a supersonic jet. I want to buy real estate, a lot of real estate, which gives me passive income, passive cash flow. Why do I want that? Because it gives me cash flow, it pays me every month. What else do I want? I want an amazing physique. I'm working out every day. I'm doing a little bit of exercise as much as I get time and as much as I can over here. I'm stuck in lockdown right now. So in the house, I am doing as much as I can. But why am I doing? I want a great physique. I want my body fat level below 10%. And the why is much more important than the how. I have got that inner drive. That inner drive is what will drive me. I can listen to 10 motivational speeches or even 100 motivational videos every single day. But that will take me just as far as the motivational video can. A drive from the inside will take me, you, or anybody else on the planet way farther than what any motivation can. Guys, start with the drive. Motivation is pure crap. Motivation is BS. What you need in your life is a drive from the inside. Believe in yourself, know where you're going, and know why you would like to go where you'd like to go. And that is where the drive will come from. Have big goals, like giant, massive ambitions in your head, and that is what will pull you towards itself. You won't have to force yourself to go to that place. But those goals of yours should be so attractive that they actually like magnetic. They've got the magnetic pull which pulls you towards them. Like I need a great physique. The workout automatically pulls me. I need to work out to reach there. I need a supersonic jet, man. Come on, I need $5 million for that supersonic jet. I work towards getting that kind of money. Or whatever your goals are, whatever your aspirations are. Work on that and know your why. And believe in yourself, have the inner drive, and I'm sure you won't need a motivation ever again.